Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And another very nice day. I'm sure the price did pull back here a little bit, but within the grand scheme of things, the bulls are still working on putting in that overall high or low. And, that's really the key thing that you want to see happen going forward. And yesterday, for those of you that watched, hopefully you remember me talking about, the red line right here being the resistance and, kind of just asking the question whether or not, that was any sort of true break. Because, yeah, the price got above it, but could the price maintain above it? And it did maintain above it. The price did pull back here, temporarily fell below it. But that didn't last very long, and then the price, did get back up above it right there. So, yeah, the price stayed above it. So, at this point, I am going to go ahead and, kind of put that foundational principle into place here in terms of charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and then the price stays above it, you want to see that act as support. So, 390, I would say, is now a level of support. Definitely the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 390, that's going to make the chart look the most powerful. If the price does drop below it, not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because that is where 360 comes into play. But I'm not going to talk any more about 360 given the price is way up there. If you're curious why 360 is important, then you can just go back and watch, the previous day's videos that I've done. So from a support standpoint, always good when red lines are being converted over into green. So 390 is definitely going to be that near-term level of support. And then again, 360 also have the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which if this initial green line, doesn't hold, then yeah, it'd be great to see the price hold up above that purple line. What about levels of resistance? As far as resistance, I'm not sure if that's where the price hit today or not. Somewhat close, but right up there at 415, going to be that initial key level. Like I said, got somewhat close this morning, but didn't quite hit it. But if you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see this area here has a history of knocking down the price. So I'm not saying that 415 can't be broken, just saying that, the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game tomorrow or in the future if they are going to push through it. So all in all, not the most exciting day, but nonetheless a healthy day. So we'll see how the price closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.